Konnichiwa minasan. Welcome to the channel Easy Nihongo Classes. Watashi wa Mukul Jan Dish. Today in this video we will learn about the basic daily words which we use in our daily life but we don't know how to speak in Japanese. This video will be our lesson 1 of Japanese vocabulary of Minnano Nihongo, which is about based on JLPT N5. So guys, you have already watched the previous video of Japanese language, which is based on hiragana and katakana. So you have already know the basic, the beginning of the Japanese. So let's start the lesson 1 of JLPT N5. Watashi, watashi tachi, anata, ano hito, minasan. To give respect, we add san after the name. We add chan after the child name, for example Mukul Chan. We add kun after the boy's name, for example Mukul Kun. For the nationality, we add jin at the last word. Sensei or kyoshi, gakusei, kaishain, shain, ginkoin, isha, kenkyusha, engineer, daigaku, byoin, denki, dare, shai, nansai, hai, iie, shitshirei desu ka? Onamae wa hajimemashite. Dojo yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Kochira wa deshan desu. Desu kara kimashita. So guys, this is all about the N5 lesson 1 of Japanese vocabulary, which is based on from the book Minnano Nihongo. This is the basic chapter of Minnano Nihongo, that about how we use the daily words in our daily life. From now on, we will start the Japanese vocabulary of all the Minnano Nihongo lessons of JLPT N5, so you can prepare the JLPT N5 level exam. So guys, learn well and practice these words, how to say daily words in Japanese. So guys, see you soon in the next video, and also check the channel for the shorts video, which is also the basic, or we can say the words which can be used in our daily lives, so that how can we speak or how to say these words in Japanese. So like, share, subscribe and follow on the Instagram, and stay tuned on the channel.